Creating a captivating YouTube intro is essential for making a great first impression. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps to create a custom intro using Panzoid, a free online tool. Access Panzoid, visit the Panzoid website and click on Clipmaker to start designing your intro. Choose a template, browse the templates available or start from scratch by selecting New Project. Customize the text. Click on the text elements to change the words, fonts, and colors to match your channel's branding. Add effects. Use the Effects tab to add animations, transitions, and other visual elements to enhance your intro. Preview your intro. Click the play button to preview your intro in real time. Make adjustments as needed. Download your intro. Once satisfied, click Download and choose your preferred resolution. Save the file to your computer. Your new YouTube intro is now ready to make a strong impact. For more tips and tricks on enhancing your videos, check my links below. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing to Cyber Theo for more tech tutorials.